In relationships characterized by chronic resentment, anger, or emotional abuse, the overwhelming question is, should I go or should I stay? The problem with that question is that living with chronic resentment or anger or emotional abuse will embed all important decisions with confusion and doubt. You're going to second guess yourself continually when you live under those conditions. And that's because you'll lose touch with your core value. Core value is more than just the values we create. It's the very ability to create value and meaning in life. We're born with that ability. When in touch with core value, we feel more alert, vital, loving. We appreciate more, connect to others, and protect the people we love. When something goes wrong, we try to improve things in fair ways. In short, the experience of being alive means more to us. Now, when out of touch with it, we feel resentment, anger, anxiety, or depression. We devalue others. When something goes wrong, we blame, deny, or avoid. Choices are merely to reduce discomfort or pain, and those choices almost always limit growth and resolve in resentment or depression. In short, life loses meaning when we're out of touch with core value. As you develop core value, you'll no longer make decisions merely to avoid discomfort or pain. You'll make choices that increase the value of your experience. And that means basically being true to your own deeper values. You'll automatically seek more value in your life and avoid what devalues it. If both partners develop core value, their union can be born again. If only one does, that person will heal and grow. The relationship may improve some, but will not flourish. So the only viable course is to develop your core value and follow it.